All right, so here's an update on the 57 Nomad. We did a lot of cleanup throughout the body, also in the undercarriage, and started to glue parts together on the interior. And let's see, also some parts in the doors. Let me take this apart, especially like these components right here. These right here, you have to glue them in. This back portion right there. The seat, we just have tape on it. We could remove that right there for now. And then this piece we also had to glue in. Right here, there's somewhat of a gap, but I'm gonna end up filling that in with more glue. And once I primer it, then I'm gonna just sand it smooth, you know, and get that uniformed right there. And here's the body. The one thing I did notice on the body is right here, a little bit of a warp, kind of a curve. But I know once I put the bottom chassis and all that, it lines it up. And also in the back, there's a separate piece that is not together right here. So I had to like put that in there to link it. And I still need to do some filing. Let's see, or sanding actually. Get the real quick now that I'm here, right here in this little area, because these were some tiny little areas I need to touch up. I still haven't put any of the bumpers or anything like that. And let's see here. So let's put this piece here in first. Pop in the bottom. We have the doors taped down for now, but those do open. The same with the hood. It will open. I just have it taped down for now, just for the mock-up. I spent about an hour just getting everything cleaned up and ready just for this moment. So this way I could record. Right here, you could tell there's quite of a gap right there for right now. I'm still adjusting everything. I think once I start putting more things into it, it's going to start to shape up. Let's see. As far as the bottom, like I said, see now it's lined up pretty straight. It reminds me a lot of like even like the high ace from Aoshima. When you get that body out of the box, it's like somewhat curved on, because it's just so long piece of styrene. And once you start fitting everything, it shapes back up. So there's that right there. But as far as this right here, I'm gonna tweak this, figure this one out right here, and then I want to mock it up with the rear bumper just to see how big of a gap. If anything, I'll probably add a little bit of styrene to shape that up right there. But it does open up right there, and then see like right here, there's still a gap. Pull that back right here, and on this side. And I still need a sand. There's still a lot of sanding I need to be involved in here and get it all nice and uniform. But so far, I'm very excited with how it's been going with it. Right there, look at that door, just swinging open. It's been pretty cool. And I mean, time flew by. I was just in the zone. I was like, let me go ahead and get far with this so far, with prepping and everything. And once I got everything dialed in, I'm gonna start to scuff the body, and then I'm gonna proceed with laying down that primer. That's gonna be the next step right there. So, any questions or anything, you guys hit me up, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'll keep you guys updated with the videos right here regarding this build. So, thank you for watching. Take care. We'll see you next time.